Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, suppose the rank of the matrix 1 1 2 2, 1 1 1 3 and A B B 1 is 2 for some real numbers A and B, then B equals. Now, if the rank is 2, it means that one row is dependent on the other two rows. So therefore, ABB1 is equal to C into 1 1 2 2, that is the first row, plus D into 1 1 1 3, that is the second row. Now, using this equation, or rather comparison, we can say that C plus D is equal to A, C plus D is equal to B, 2C plus D is equal to B, and 2C plus 3D is equal to 1. Now, using these two equations, we can say the value of C is 0, since C plus D is equal to B and 2C plus D is equal to B. So C does not have any effect. So C is equal to 0. Now putting C is equal to 0 in this, we get D is equal to 1 by 3. And since C plus D is equal to B, C is 0. So B is equal to D is equal to 1 by 3. Then B equals 1 by 3. So the correct option is option D. The next question is, the graph of a cubic polynomial fx is shown below. If k is a constant such that fx is equal to k has 3 real solutions, which of the following could be a possible value of k? Now looking at the options, that is 3, 0, minus 7 and minus 3, we can say that the correct answer is option A, that is 3, since k has to be greater than or equal to 3, as the graph needs to be lifted. Hence, seeing the options, this is the only possible choice. So the value of k is equal to 3, option A.